Kurumzari mayam, welcome back to Model Sita by Syria. Ado mayam ngasi video sidi Imphal da 29 and 30 September da Air India Express cabin crew interview gida makta recruitment gida makta laktore. Ado mayam sige interview sige matang da khangbining ba yarugadi. This video is for you. Horin loi phawa yengbiyo. Plus ngasi gi video sidi Air India gi matang da su magi interview round gi matang da su ay animak Air India ga Air India Express gi matang da Pulab explain to Zarage, so please watch till the end. Welcome back, mayam. Who doesn't know me? My name is Syria. I give Syria ko say I say cabin crew oizare lead cabin attendant oizare aduka can you say hosna cabin crew Manipur higher community. This is the page we have. Sige a team member ma oizay mentor oizay aduka koi say placement assistance kay am sa pizza gray hosna I say Paris the settle target tabog macham to service say. So without further ado nga sige interview sige matang da ay hizer age nga sige interview Air India Express interview si matang da ihaizer age. So first of all, sigi interview date se 29 and 30 September. Dane Imphal the lactori se makoy na duga address na Hotel Imphal by the Classic sigi mapam si dane ko. Ado mayam na registration timing si pasal na paraga chatpiyo kay gino da thenga ga chatpi gano thenga chala di chang hala oy ko. So if you really want to be a cabin crew, you need to be on time. So makoy na registration se pung mapandagi na drama thoy na piye. Sige matang sida chatpa sida chatlag hekta phamaga leido banate, you need to give your registration. Aduga kano tawe makoy na online to apply tawang ba link pibane ko. So I'm going to put the link down here in my description box. Please apply through that link. Okay, adu malaire. So criteria gi matang lecture ge criteria say kaino gi matang da height gi matang da makoy na 157.5 centimeter wanggadaba na high. However, northeast region dagi oiraga di makoy na relaxation 2.5 relaxed away kaino gi height se do height se relaxed away height na su somna domicile certificate pai draga di makoy na changhalaw do na domicile certificate pai draga chapiyo that you are from there. Do na nangi relaxation do 157.5 yo draga su somna kaino se domicile certificate pai draga di clear tawgani adum laire. Qualification sigi matang da ilaksarage 10+2 pass tawgadaba ado kaino ramda South India or Delhi da 60% yog da taraga di kaino tawba yaro kholoi kaina interview se apply tawba yaro kholoi kaina yawgi mamang da adugi matang da su question mayam la Air India Express Imphal Manipur gi sidi I don't think they have this criteria 60% adu ada kemta laite adu na 60% yog da tar sa 12th exam da adum interview se chapi be yagani adu malaire kaino gi weight ki matang da laksar age ngasagi height to gosong gi height siga weight siga proportional hanbiyo, and they are very particular about BMI point ama khatang tar su ama khatang hela su ngasagi BMI range dagi they reject you. Aduna you need to be very mindful of that. Aduga songi height to gi matung inna weight se legedaba BMI range se 18 to 22 legedaba. BMI hot pagi matang se Google da yamna BMI calculator ni ilai lai ni yawbane adu jangaga songi height to gi matung inna weight su kaino calculate tawiro adum laire. Aduga kaino gi complexion gi matang no koina clear complexion and high clear complexion doesn't mean that you need to be very have the makoy na nga is a fair complexion habanate ko clear complexion haibadi kaino gi matang da songi complexion da pimple thung da ba khotaba akhoi gi acne scar laitaba adugumba mayam da no koina haise aduga akhoi gi ngakta maida or khutta tattoos se visible oiba mafam sings da laitaba. So please, if you have tattoos on these visible areas, I doubt that they will clear you. Makoy clear tawro ko adum laira. Next point say mid ki eyesight ki matang da lecture ge eyesight say yan question yam na hang ado I say I nogi somna ano upaga interview chatpadi yar oi aduna lens pininga ga di lenses are allowed, so you can wear lenses for your interview. Okay, adum laire color blind oiba ma yadre aduma yadre colorblind test ke kata ko somna clear to tar numit se clear to tar medical rounds colorblind ke kame ama test to bane ko so you need to be you shouldn't be a colorblind adum laire passport ki matang lak sarage passport se compulsory oigani ado somna passport se apply to graga process se lairaga phangdribo oiba taragadi there's no problem you can take document as a proof like nangi application ID nangna apply to kre haibagi mail ama passport office tagi laidna so you can take a copy of that and take that as a proof that you have applied for passport so you don't worry about that they will let you in aduma laire address high grade numid high grade criteria pan grade lower male communication se makogi hindi am strict oi so please prepare on your hindi like Hindi gi matang da hadi at least basic conversations khara di practice to raga chatpiyo numitu gi matang da or Manipur gi matang da your favorite destination gi matang da you never know so prepare to raga chatpiyo basic conversations khara yam kana lu na di hangoi but please try your best Hindi hange aduma laire hojik interview rounds ki matang da lecture age interview rounds se kari no haibase kaino gi matung inna Air India Express ki matung inna as per my knowledge, as per my research, I see hire ise akoigi cabin crew Manipur gi trainee attendees khara makoi se Air India Express Bangalore da piru re so makoi da piru makoi gi matung inna ise explain tawzabane ado Manipur se lak tawriba interview sida di makoi na same process to tawgani haibad tawgani tawroi habadudi ai ado at least to have some basic knowledge about what will happen I'm going to explain this process around rounds of interview to you. Okay, what happened? Kamaina tawki have the quite first round makoina aptitude test away aptitude test habadi personality or your skills test tawne makoina situation na parakani pirakani aduga MCQ gi type the question se pithokani adu matungina nangi quite reaction kamaina tawgani situations the react tawbado adu kamaina react tawgani haibi matang na makoina khara describe pirakani bako aduda nangna choose tawgadabane ba aduma laira aptitude test loiraga makoina BMI height weight check tawre height weight check se clear taw taraga di somna PI round personal interview round I'm sorry GD round amuk salani GD rounds ta makoina common topic ma piraga they will let you discuss on that okay extemper speech na te ko makoina hangise GD group discussion ne ko so it is there's no somgi opinion oina PBOC matang the opinion or your preference like your idea without interfering somebody else when someone is talking aduna GD round the kamaina akoina body language kamaina present tawgani kholkani haibi matang kitang research tawiyo ko aduma leizare GD round se loiraga somna makoina khan bataraga di da last round the personal interview round la ani personal interview round sida makoina hangi se Hindi yamna hangi yamna hangi what else is like why Air India Express what do you know about our company why you want to be a cabin crew and as simple as introduction self-introduction na mahange ko. So, sige basic question and frequent asked questions sing se khara prepare taraga chapiyo aduga Hindi su khara prepare tawiyo Hindi se yamna like topic no khara prepare tawiyo aduma laira so that's what Air India Express ki matang da adune aduga numit sida makhoi gi di khudak ta khali khande se haidokte numit humni marini lairaga mail oina lae na hai khali khande habado even for shortlisted candidates okay adu duma laira Air India Express ki matang da hojiksina Air India ki matang da lakchage nahan Air India se kaino da Guwahati da recruitment ma tawki adu gi matung inna haizage tawbane so the same process of interview might happen in Air India Express ki numit sida su same process of interview round so tawya adu gi damakta aina ngasi video se combine tawzabane ko so either of those it can happen adu duna mayam da khangnaba semjaba video ne so Air India gi round sida kamai tawge criteria loina bak chapmanai apart from the height criteria height se manai but makoina arm reach tawhalle arm reach se to 1 cm lamba phangdaba na hai aduma kitang section biro somna yumdu sai pitang onthoga yeng habdi akogi tip toes ta kaino se to 1 cm se lamba phangdra na aduma laibiro aduma ga leire aduga atai di loina bak manai criteria se ko next is kaino gi matang laksarage makhoi gi interview round se gi matang laksarage interview round se quite first round da makhoi na nahan do GD round da we GD round se trending topic like online shopping offline shopping adu se adum hange ko aduga another topic ama aina discover tawzai madugi interview da ko makhoi na sumaina hange class 12 loiraga nangi kaino se angang anambana ko student anambana abroad kaino like tamba chatnai aduga khara mana India da dum tamme adugi matang da chatlaga na makhoi kana base kari lai chatraga na makhoi kana base kari lai so what are the disadvantages and advantage or something like that adugi matang da topic ama nangi point of view khara piyona adumaina makhoi na hai so this is the new topic I recently discovered so sigi topic sida so hypetang kaino tobiyo another topic ne adu na kitang prepare taraga labiyo so GD round adu loira GD round loira makoina BMI round height weight check tawre height weight check ida su 212 cm arm reach phangba adu masu leire ko adu loiraga makoina PI round na la personal interview round sida same thing makoina hangbodo hange like even including Hindi da describe the activity like nangi yumdagi na interview ba walak interview mafam si ba walak pagi situation or your activity do ngasi ya do Hindi da explain tawro ona dumaina hangba yawe so prepare on that about Manipur gi matang da so prepare khara tawbiro ko aduma laire adu loiraga mkhoina numit se personal interview round loiraga final interview round se sometimes adu da lotion ba yawe adu da lotion da basu yawgi ko numit da akhoi gi cabin crew Manipur dagi site dagi makhoi ani chatlubodo amana true oire na dum me la magi medicals ngairi duga keno sina amana magi final round nang dabagi me la final round sigi da makta keno da Imphal da date 29 ga 30 ga interview to zagani adu da interview final round oina direct yawala wana dumaina mail lakpa yawe ko ado so whoever has attended that Guwahati interview and if you get any mail so I think you can go directly for the final interview have the atopa round mayam do pulap yaw da bida nang na interview se yaw ngamni hana confirm ta utaraga di I think they will let you in directly to the final round of interview so make sure you have the mail adumaina adum atopa mayam yawrungani na ina khanjaiba ko so that's about it Air India and Air India Express ki matang da so airline ani sigi matang da I have tang panjaramge they are different airlines however Air India se India gi national flag carrier airline ne hojikina Tata company ne lokshan gre aduga Air India Express se it's a low cost airline ojatar so Air India gi subsidiary airline ne and they are different airlines okay so adugi matang da I think confusion laiba singdo aduma khangjan biro so that's about it I hope my video is helpful and whoever is attending the interview all the very best aduga somna khanba yauraga di please let me know I'll be really happy to share your news aduma laire aduga akhoi se next month agi cabin crew Manipur haiba akhoi gi community akhoi sigi Instagram gi page se follow tawiro sigi sida akhoi na yauri se kaino tawe akhoi se next month first year anniversary akhoi 1 year farani next month adu na akhoi na another program ama introduce tawzai webinar 3 weeks ki ground staff ki including ground staff ki matang da su yauraga somna yawin ng yauraga di please DM us in cabin crew Manipur adum laire I think the most important aina kawramba ma yaure dress code ki matang da dress code se interview Air India Express me Air India or Air India Express ki interview chapa matam da you don't need to wear sari you can wear western formals I have it on description se the pizaram ge se yeng biro you can even wear trousers set pinning ba yauraga trousers set pasu yai ni lens cut set pasu yai ado sida in description sida pizza ge si ye pictures the reference lo wiro so all the very best everyone thagachari lo bhawa yeng bi thank you